Adjusting the child car seat. The product backrest can be adjusted to 8 different height positions. Press and hold the lever on the rear of the headrest. Raise or lower the headrest to the desired position, then release the lever. The width of the backrest can also be adjusted on this product. To do so, rotate the handle on the rear of the backrest. Turn it clockwise to widen it. Turn it counterclockwise to narrow it. The backrest can also be reclined to 4 different positions. Press the button found under the slot on the seat. Still holding the button, pull or push the rear rack to the desired position. Each click corresponds to one position change. The child car seat headrest and base rack must always be leant against the vehicle seat backrest. Remove the Ultrafix clasps stored on the armrests. Insert the 2 Ultrafix clasps into the corresponding Isofix locking points on the vehicle, between the backrest and the seat. Pull the clasp straps to achieve correct tensioning of the child car seat. Installation. Place the child car seat onto the vehicle seat, with the backrest up against the vehicle seat backrest. Place your child inside the car seat, with his back correctly placed against the backrest. Adjust the height and width of the child car seat. Now thread the diagonal vehicle safety belt strap through the red slot guide. Connect the vehicle safety belt to its buckle. The abdominal vehicle safety belt strap must pass under both armrests. The child car seat also has a cup holder. It can fit on either side, simply inserting it from the top downwards. Press the rear lever to angle it as necessary. To remove it, simply press the rear lever and pull it upwards. Removing the cover. It is necessary to disconnect the lower section to remove the fabric cover. Press the button found under the slot on the seat. Still holding the button, pull the rear rack out as far as possible. Turn the 4 screws until the open symbol is visible. Remove the seat base. Remove the cover from the top part of the seat, making sure you release the 5 anchor points, and check that no elements can obstruct the process. Press and hold the lever on the rear of the headrest to pull the whole backrest upwards. Pull out the cushions from the 2 side wings. Open the rear zip completely. Open the 2 side zips on the headrest completely and undo the 3 Velcro fasteners. Remove the cover from the frame.